Welcome to our tutorial on creating dynamic components in Angular. Let's start by assuming we're inside an Angular component or directive. First, we need to import several utilities from Angular core, Renderer2, ElementRef, ComponentFactoryResolver, ViewChild, and ViewContainerRef. Each of these has a special role in the dynamic component creation process. We need a location in our template to serve as the placeholder for the new component. To reference this location, we use the ViewChild decorator with a template reference variable, named dynamicInsert here, and instruct Angular to read the ViewContainerRef. In our constructor, we inject both the Renderer2 service and the ComponentFactoryResolver. The Renderer2 service allows us to modify DOM elements without touching the DOM directly, while the ComponentFactoryResolver gives us a way to create a factory for our dynamic components. Within the createDynamicComponent method, we start by invoking resolveComponentFactory on the FactoryResolver, passing in the component we want to create. This action returns a factory specifically tailored for our component. Next, we call createComponent on dynamicInsertRef, the ViewContainerRef instance we obtained earlier. We pass in the component factory, which produces an instance of our component and inserts it into the ViewContainer. If our new component requires additional setup, such as passing inputs or subscribing to outputs, this would be the place to handle that. Think of it as a post-construction hook for your dynamic component. Finally, with Renderer2, we're able to style the native element of our dynamic component. Here, we're setting the text color to blue. Renderer2 ensures that we do this in a platform-agnostic way, keeping in mind Angular's security features.